Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use WhatsApp on your tablet. As you must be aware, WhatsApp is only available for use on mobile devices with an active SIM card installed on them. This practically means that WhatsApp can only be used on mobile phones and it can be used on a tablet, only if the tablet has an active SIM card installed on it. In my case, it's just the same with the Android phone because my tablet is allowed to download WhatsApp. So what you're gonna do is open Play Store and download WhatsApp. After you download, open WhatsApp. Then agree in terms and condition on WhatsApp. Then enter your phone number. Then after verifying, it will ask your name and your profile photo. And there you go. You can open your WhatsApp on your tablet. The other way is just the same procedure in iPad or in your PC. So, launch Google Chrome and type WhatsApp Web. Then, a QR code can be found on the home page. Go to your phone that has WhatsApp installed and leave the website open. Then, go to Settings and in the WhatsApp on your phone, press Link Devices. Then, the camera will start up. The tablet's QR code should be scanned. So, all of your WhatsApp activity should be displayed after the browser page has been refreshed. So, that's it. I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!